Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the MultiLift personal transfer lift system, shown for use with a boat trailer mount in a personal watercraft. The MultiLift, as you may know, is a personal lift designed for use in many different environments. So one MultiLift can do many different things. So for example, this MultiLift you might also use in your home, you might use it in your pool, you might use it in an RV, or even possibly to lift you in different environments, boats, cars, many different applications. So we're going to take this lift, going to bring it right around here. Now we've already hooked it up, but all of this stuff is all cordless and removable. The only thing that remains while you're in motion here is the mount. Each of the mounts are very different. So what you see here may not work for your boat, but the good news is Access Unlimited's design team is going to make sure that what you buy is going to match up to what your needs are and match your boat. First, we've got our sling here that's already been put in place, but this sling does not need to be put in place ahead of time. So this sling can actually go around the person while when you actually go to get into the boat. In fact, what I'll do at the end of the process, I'll show you the sling and you'll be able to see what it's like. So the easiest way to do this is going to be to put the person in place outside the boat. In this particular case, we're going to show you getting into the mid-position rear-facing seat here. There'll be other videos in the notes field down below that'll show you more details on different styles of mounting systems and, of course, of different transfers within the boat with this particular application. So I'm going to next get up inside the boat. Grab the controller and start rising. Now once we get up, we're going to wait until the feet are able to clear the gunnel. Go right over the side. We're going to head straight for this seat. You'll notice that there's a strap right in the back here, so it gives you great control over moving the person's angles and maneuvering them quite easily. And these different joints are designed to follow you where you need to go. So once we're up high enough, I'm going to simply guide the user right over the gunnel. And straight down over the seat. Now that we're down in this seat, let's say, for example, we wanted to move over into the driver's seat. Okay? We can do that quite easily. Get into different locations here. Now here we are, right down and in the driver's seat. No problem. We can also raise. Go into a different location if we wish. So we got lots of options for where to put the person. We have setups that'll go into the, for open bow boats, we've got setups that'll go into the front. You can also get into the rear. So pretty much any position, as long as you've got the right configuration. And again, your mileage may vary. So we've got different possibilities here. So we're going to move the lift right out of the way and show you a little bit of the sling. So this is the sling, and it actually goes right around the person. So the bottom is right here, and these go around the legs, and this goes around the back. So it's a really lightweight sling, and of course this is designed for water use and gives you lots of options. So if you're a little wet or something like that, that's great. Now, bear in mind, we've also got mounts that'll go inside the boat. They're a little bit more complicated, sometimes can be a little bit more costly, but that gives you some options for getting down in the water, again, with certain watercraft. Lots of different possibilities, and we're there to make them all available to you to the best of our ability with one product that's flexible and affordable as a system. So if you'd like more information, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/AccessUN. You can follow us on Twitter at AccessUN, or on Instagram as Access Unlimited, all one word, Pinterest as Access Unlimited, 2 words. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's country code 1 in the U.S. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518. Again, please check out the videos in the notes field down below. That'll give you a far better idea of what options are available for this system. And go on our YouTube channel at youtube.com/AccessUN for over 4,500 different videos showing you different options that Access Unlimited offers. We are a pioneer in the area of alternative access, getting you into the vehicles that you want to get into and in the places that you want to get into. We've got lots of great solutions. We hope you like some or all of them. Have a great day, and thank you for taking the time to watch our video.